Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale across Jamaica. House number 1. This is a 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in the community of Fairview Park in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 5,000 square feet and it's been listed for 45 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have the veranda. Next is living and dining area number 1. And this is living and dining area number 2. Followed by that are the kitchens. Here is kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Out of 7 bedrooms, 3 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms in all, however only 1 is being shown. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And that would be the end of the images for house number 1. House number 2. This is an 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom house located in the community of Malvern in St. Elizabeth. The square footage of this house is 4,800 square feet and it's on the market for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a closer look. First, we have living and dining area number 1. And this is dining area number 2. Next, we have the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen, second kitchen, and this is the third kitchen. From there, we move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 8 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 5 bathrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. From here, we move right along to the laundry area. And from here, we're going to head back on the outside. This would be the end of the images for house number 2. House number 3. Here we have a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house found in Knockpatrick, Manchester. The size of this house is 2,376 square feet and it's been listed for 42 million Jamaican dollars. Now for this one, some of the rooms are incomplete, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. First, we have the living area. Dining area, and this is the kitchen. Next, we have the gym, followed by that we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom, third, fourth bedroom, and this is the 5th bedroom. Next, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third, fourth, and this is the fifth bathroom. Out of 6 bathrooms, 5 were shown. Now here are a few additional rooms that comes with this house. Next, we have the laundry area, and that would be the end of the images for house number 3. We move right along to house number 4. Now here we have an 8-bedroom, 8-bathroom house found in Knockpatrick, Manchester. The size of this land is 11,979 square feet and it's been listed for $290,000 US. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Followed by that, we have the kitchen. And as we move along, we're going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. This house has 8 bedrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. Out of 8 bathrooms, only 1 is being shown. From here, we're going to head back on the outside. And that will be the end for house number 4. House number 5. Here we have a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom house found in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The size of this house is 3,800 square feet and it's been listed for 35 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. And the next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms in all, however only 1 is being shown. Lastly, we have the garage. And that would be the end for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.